Beyond the hustle and bustle of the city, there is a pure land embraced gently by nature where unique triangular houses stand tall. The triangular house stands out with its unique triangular design, which is not only aesthetically pleasing but also embodies the wisdom of stability and durability. Entering the triangular house, you will find that everything here is so warm and comfortable. The interior is exquisitely decorated and equipped with modern facilities such as soft beds, clean bathrooms, comfortable shower facilities, and a warm heating system. In this fast-paced era, the Triangle House provides you with a pure land, away from the hustle and bustle. Here you can let go of all your troubles and stress and fully enjoy the gifts and tranquility of nature.